I saw someone so good looking, it made me resent my parents. You'll get that if you're ugly. You see someone hot and then you think about your parents, you're like, you idiots had to each other? They made a lateral move, and I'm like, well, here I am. I'm the one who has to suffer. I got my father's big nose, and I got my mother's fat upper area. I hide the Fuppas well, ladies, so. I do a lot of gay shit, and I don't mean gay like when a man says he doesn't eat meat. That's gay as I mean, I suck dick. And I just want to clear it up. I don't want you thinking I'm a vegan. And it throws people off when I say that because I've got this energy of a high school football coach with multiple DUIs. And people are like, you're into guys? Oh my God, I machine gun through twink ass. No twinks in here? But I do it all. I'm not gay. Like, I hook up with dudes, I hook up with chicks, I've hooked up with a trans person, which makes the most sense if you're gonna do dudes and chicks. Why choose between steak and lobster when you're getting surf and turf at the same price?